1969, the Pontiac GTO, the car that started it all. The original muscle car. The machine that proved you could drop a big engine in a mid-sized body and change the automotive world forever. And this particular '69 GTO, built by All-Speed Customs out of Muskegon Heights, Michigan, is a convertible that has been completely reborn from the ground up. This build didn't start with a clean car. It started with rust, rot, and decades of neglect. The floor pans were gone, the body was rough. Most builders would have walked away. But All-Speed Customs stripped this GTO down to nothing. Bare metal, bare chassis, bare everything, and began one of the most thorough restorations you'll ever see. The chassis was completely rebuilt. Custom fabrication, precision welding, structural reinforcement throughout. A roll cage was integrated for rigidity and safety. Every piece of rust was cut out and replaced with fresh steel. The floor pans, the frame rails, the inner panels, all of it was addressed by hand, piece by piece, weld by weld. From there, the body was worked to perfection. Panel gaps were dialed in, every surface was blocked and smoothed, and the car was taken through primer and into the paint booth. The finished result is a deep, sinister black that complements the aggressive lines of the '69 GTO perfectly. The long hood, the stacked headlights, the wide rear quarters. This is one of the most beautiful body designs Detroit ever produced, and in black, it's absolutely menacing. Now let's talk about what lives under that hood. A supercharged LSA, the same 6.2-liter forced induction V8 that powered the Cadillac CTS-V. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, this is a driver's car in every sense of the word. The supercharger sits on top, force-feeding boost into that aluminum block, and the engine bay is dressed in chrome and polished aluminum. This isn't just a motor swap, this is a statement. Underneath, the suspension has been completely modernized with Ridetech coilover suspension. That means this convertible GTO rides smooth and handles like a modern sports car, with adjustable damping and a perfect stance. The factory suspension is ancient history, replaced with technology that actually matches the power this car is making. Stopping power comes from Wilwood disc brakes, massive rotors, and multi-piston calipers at all four corners. When you've got supercharged power going through a 6-speed manual in a convertible, you need brakes you can trust with your life, and Wilwood delivers. The wheels are custom polished alloys that fill the fenders and give this GTO an aggressive, planted stance. The fitment is spot on, not too much, not too little, just enough to let you know this car means business. Step inside and the interior is a complete transformation. Custom two-tone upholstery in gray and black with contrast stitching throughout. The seats are fully custom, front and rear, with bolstered leather that looks and feels incredible. The door panels feature vintage-inspired inserts with integrated speakers and chrome accents. The center console houses a modern touchscreen display, a custom gauge cluster for monitoring engine vitals, and a polished shifter for that 6-speed manual. The dashboard has been fitted with clean, precise gauges that give you all the information you need at a glance. Even the trunk has been treated to a full custom audio installation. A polished aluminum subwoofer enclosure sits center stage, flanked by premium speakers and a clean amplifier setup. The trunk is fully trimmed because in a build at this level, every space gets the same attention. This is what happens when a team of builders refuses to cut corners. All-Speed Customs took a rusted-out '69 GTO convertible and turned it into a supercharged, 6-speed, open-top muscle car that performs as good as it looks. The great one has never been greater.